Building good communication skills is essential for success in both personal and professional life. Here are some steps to help you improve your communication skills. 1. Practice active listening. Active listening is about fully focusing on what the other person is saying without interruption or distraction. Make eye contact, ask clarifying questions, and show genuine interest in what the other person is saying. 2. Use clear and concise language. Use simple language and avoid using jargon or technical terms unless necessary. Speak clearly and confidently, and avoid using filler words like and ah. 3. Pay attention to body language. Nonverbal cues such as facial expressions, posture, and gestures can convey a lot of information. Be aware of your own body language and make sure it aligns with your words. 4. Be empathetic. Try to understand the other person's perspective and feelings. This will help you to respond in a way that is appropriate and considerate. 5. Practice assertiveness. Assertiveness is about expressing your thoughts and feelings in a clear and direct way, while also respecting the other person's feelings. Practice stating your needs and boundaries in a confident and respectful manner. 6. Seek feedback. Ask for feedback from others on your communication skills. This can help you identify areas for improvement and build confidence in your abilities. 7. Practice, practice, practice. Like any skill, communication requires practice. Look for opportunities to practice your communication skills, whether it's in a social setting or in a professional context.